It's Dr. Epstein. I have an unusual but interesting case, something I've recorded other videos on. My patient's willing to share his experiences. He spent quite a bit of time doing research. He's in his mid-30s, early mid-30s. He had 3 prior transplants, mostly strip. Last one was done 6 years ago. And the consequence of this work was he was unhappy with the unnaturalness of his hairline. The grafts were not planted in the ideal direction. He developed a lot of scarring, big grafts. So here he is today. You don't have to hide his face, anything. That's fine. But basically, this is the area we're going to do all the removals on. You can see this is scarred skin, and essentially I'm going to do a hairline lung surgery. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move his entire hairline forward, and I'm going to bring this up just a bit, but most of the excision, this removal between these 2 lines, is going to come from advancement of his hairline. So this nice dense original hairline is going to be moved forward. It's going to replace all this scarred skin with, you can see these plug grafts and things like that. It's all going to be replaced with a single fine line scar, which down the road we can always go ahead and do some grafting. Did you have any questions or anything you want to share with the world out there?
I would say just do your research and don't be in a rush. Make sure you do all the research you possibly can, because there's good people out here like Dr. Epstein, but there's a lot of bad doctors as well.
Cool. And then what we're going to do, we're going to not discard these hairs. We're actually going to plant them in the donor site scar. So we're going to basically be killing 2 birds, or maybe I don't like the word killing 2 birds. We're going to make 2 things better with 1 procedure. So anyway, this is once again Dr. Epstein showing a hairline excision procedure for reparative indications. Thank you.